Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today's Tuesday, January 28th. So I traded SPCE at the open today, or not quite at the open, but right around close to 7 o'clock. The open was very erratic. SPY was gapping up, and it was fading at the time. Now it's finding a direction. But yeah, I traded SPCE. I really loved the daily chart on this thing, um, and which is while I was watching it. So let's pull up the daily here. You notice, the stock gap down, but recovered and actually closed green on the day, showing relative strength in comparison to the overall general market, which the market, let's pull up the SPY here. You can see everyone knows what it did. It gapped down, right? So SPCE showed strength, which is the reason why I wanted to watch it today. It also happened to be gapping up this morning. So as you can see, I was watching it. It was holding this level here of the 1760 area. You can see that on the, let me pull up the 15-minute time frame. You can see here it was an area where it was kind of, bouncing off of, finding resistance here. So it did find support here today. I really like that there was clear indication of buying pressure on the 15. You see these two hammers on the 30. You can see that there was a beautiful hammer candle. Let's pull up that's 15, 30. There it is. Beautiful hammer candle bouncing off that previous resistance level. And yeah, I noticed that this thing was beginning to wedge up. There it is. Now it's breaking that 1836. So I can show you where I saw this level here, which was basically my profit target. Was the high of the day, but now it's cracking that level. But yeah, I saw this thing making higher lows. You can see that it was basically flagging. Getting to me, it was looking very like it was getting ready to squeeze. On the way up, you can see that the volume is decreasing here. And yeah, sure enough, volume decreasing, you get a contraction and then you get an expansion. You see that huge volume spike right there on the 5. Beautiful, beautiful expansion. But yeah, that's what I was seeing here. I'm seeing higher lows. It reclaimed VWAP. Also, this is pre-market lows right here. So I got long right there, had my stop right here. Right when I got my 2 to 1, I started partialing aggressively. Also, it was coinciding with that high of the day. I did have this 1830 level. Now it's look at that thing go. It's breaking, and I took majority off of my shares there at 1832. Why? If you look here, you can see on the previous gap up, it was finding this was support right here, this level, that 1830 level, bouncing support, and then eventually, pulling back, breaking that level. But now it's reclaiming it. Looks beautiful. That was the level there, and yeah, that's basically my trade on SPCE. Took majority off of my shares here, and then I set my stop, hard stop right here, and it did punch through it. Caught some slippage, but that's okay. Little above break even. So yeah, that was my trade on the day. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I hope everyone had a beautiful day. Trade safe, everyone.